Hi guys, welcome to this system. Is just installed, right? Great system. It's with the ISO that you can build if you want. On the ArcoLinux B website you can build your own ISO and it's always going to be up to date and it will have this number then. But if you don't want to build, that's fine. You just take the one that's on on all the sources that we have, and it's going to be the 03, and then you update. The thing is, somebody put online Discord now, Eric, I was successful in building Xenmod, right? And there are already so many videos about Xenmod, but it made me realize that I've now removed, so this is a clean install, I've removed my Xenmod kernel from my left WM. So if you are looking for information, you go to ArcoLinux YouTube, you make sure that you have this link Eric Dubois, that you get to the main channel, Eric Dubois here, and again, skip trial. This is new installed, right? I have all these buttons come up again. This is where you need to look things, right? Again, a video that tells you where to search, not up here, because it's the billions of videos. No, restrict yourself to what we offer you, our channel, our university. And in Xenmod there are lots of single videos, which is good, but sometimes you'll notice that there is the number. It says play all and the number 10. It means it's a playlist. View full playlist. So if you want to focus on building kernels, focus on anything, polybar and so on, then there is this long list of builds that I've done over the years. And the number is the hint, right? The number is the hint. So this one is the latest hint. And yes, YouTube should put it up there, but it doesn't. So voila. So take a scroll through the numbering and then you see this one is the last one. Put it on your repo and install. And I just had an idea. That's a great topic. Why did I close that? On ArcoLinuxB.com you will find nemesis-repo, right? Nemesis-repo. When I update my system, and this is my ArcoLinux Nemesis that I ran, if I run my personalized GitHub, this one, ArcoLinux Nemesis number 0, it will add to the list my personal Nemesis repo. You can create your own personal Nemesis repo. And all I need to do, and that's fun, and that's a good message for the user at this point in time on Discord, all I have to do is have a look what's in there. And sil is a very interesting thing to remember, maybe silicone or something like that. And here are some all Candy Beauty things, here are some papyrus things. This is my own edu left, which I'm going to delete, which is no difference with this one, just a tutorial. That is my look, my own proper XFC look. Not sure I'm going to keep that one, but this is what we're talking about, right? Linux Xenmod. It has been built already. Now, if you do a yay, what happens with kernels, right? They get updated all the time. So the one that I have built was a few, I don't know, we could see probably in the date, weeks ago or something. So here is 27 and here is number 30. And that's the only difference. Does that mean that the current kernel is bad, is compromised or whatever, right? No. What I can do is just simply now apply a super easy way. Just, of course, have to know that kernel is built for Eric's PC, right? Eric's PC is this. And we've explained in tutorials how to do that, because this is 50 megabyte big and the normal kernel is 80 megabyte big, but it's restricted, or it restricts itself to the modules, the packages, the hardware that I have, and that's why it's 15 megabyte. That's why it's working on my PC, not on your PC, right? So you need to build it yourself, create your own repo, or keep it separate and then just install it. But for me that's fun because it's on the repo. All I need to do is sudo pacman -s and then Linux, and now I choose, right? or it's the Edge one, which is the newer one. It looks in the numbering system there, 16 rather than 15. So Linux xenmod, and then we have the Edge. And if I'm planning to super F7, yes, I have VirtualBox. If I have plans to do some more installations that require the headers, then we should say, well, in the same flow, in the same line, go get both of them. Simple. If voila, so 30 megabytes net change more, or is it 13? 13 megabyte in download, and 30, so double almost, and if it's extracted, and the other one is a lot bigger. The headers, right? So there you go. I've got my xenmod when I reboot. Simple as that. Build it one time. I know it's long. It takes a lot of CPU power. Your PC may heat up if you're an old computer, right? But once built, reuse, 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 and maybe in a month or two I'll build a new one, right? If there is, I don't know, 5.20 maybe, or something like that, I'll say I'll have fun and I'll build it again if I have some time to spare, and that's it. But the xenmod that works, I don't know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, will work today again, right? Simple as that, nothing changed. Same CPU, same PC. It's gonna work. Cheers.